I'm tired. It's early. So right now I am in the Eastern Townships, not on my farm. I'm on my friend Dan's farm, who a year and a half ago passed away, and he left me his 2 greenhouses because he knows that mine fell down in an ice storm. Because it's Quebec, it happens all the time. So he left me his. So what I am doing here today is I am going to be taking down those 2 structures, moving them to the farm and putting them up. Not today, obviously. It's going to take, God, it's going to take so long. Oh my God. You ever get one of those projects where you're like, yeah, this is so going to work out, and then you arrive, you realize you're alone and see the work you have to do, and you're like, oh man, I'm such an idiot. Anyway, so that is what we're doing. It's kind of weird being here, but I'm really happy to have this opportunity, because it's probably going to be the last time that I see this place. When I was younger, I always used to joke around with Dan that one day I'd buy his farm, and I legitimately thought that, yeah, this would be one day I'd take it off his hands when he wants to retire from farming or whatnot. You know, back when I was in my early 20s and you're all full of like ideas. And then you join the workforce and life kind of kicks you in the crotch for 10 years and you realize that none of that is possible anymore. But it is kind of nice now to be taking a piece of this farm onto mine, so that, you know, I'll always have that. So I'm not a total failure. But yeah, so we're going to get to that right now. As you can see behind me, there's a bit of a problem with an invasive species. So first I'm going to have to deal with that, because it's growing all around these structures and throughout. And this is the fun part. This is the real fun part. See, when I used to work in offices, I was a bit of an Excel whiz, and I was kind of proud of that, but now I've changed my expertise. Always the right tool for the job. And sometimes you find jobs where the tools are so friggin' cool, I don't even know how to use Excel anymore. Let's get to this. It's gonna be awesome. That's one. I gotta go do the other one, then clean up this mess, and I think we'll be ready for the takedown. I love this. All right, everything is cleaned up, and all the wires in this one here have been removed and put away. And also what we managed to do is take the ridge pole down, which runs up on the center of these, on each of them. We took it down. That was, oh my God, that was such a pain. That was such a pain you wouldn't even believe. It's like a million bolts and they're all rusted and all seized. My drill caught fire, but that's done. Right now, I was feeling a little discouraged. There's only a couple more hours of daylight left, so I'm going to use them. And here's what I propose. See, right now, there's 2 of these greenhouses and they're kicking my butt. I am outnumbered 2 to 1, so I want to try to solve that tomorrow. This one's going to come down. Mark my words, this one's going to come down, and then it'll be a fair fight. Few things need to happen. There are 4 more cross pieces that just run from end to end. One of them at eye level, you could probably see behind me, and there's another at the base on each side. So I am going to have to remove those. And then once that is done, the ribs will be just standing freely on their own, and I could take them out one by one. So we're gonna do this. We are going to do this. Why do I keep saying we? I'm all alone. It's just me. That's one. And this is two. Oh God.